Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You well want Jesus to come back. You long for him come back. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, go do it now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, for make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's second letter to Timothy, chapter 4, from verse 1 to verse 8. When Jesus the King come back for rule, he going to judge the people them where live and the people them where dead. So in front of God and Jesus Christ, may I beg you, preach God's word and make sure say you always ready for preach. If the time right or it not right, preach the same way. You have to show the people them the wrong way them a do and put them in a them place cause them a sin. You must take time with them when you teach them and push them to do it right. Cause one time I go come when people now go put up with or listen to what God people are teach. Instead of that, to make themselves happy, they are going to look for the teacher them where we tell them what they want to hear. Because they love hear news. And they are going to turn them back on the truth and start listening to the story them where are not true. But you see, you Timothy, you have to control yourself in everything. You are going to face enough trouble, but you must push through and go and preach God's word. And because you are God's servant, you must do all the work when me give you do. Because just like when them pour out wine, when them done burn sacrifice, I see him so my life and the work when me I do for God, soon done. Me work hard for God. Me fight for what me believe in. Me preach God's word and do all our God tell me to do. Me run the race until it done and no give up. Me go serve him till me dead. The Lord will always fear to everybody when him a judge them. I go give me one crown for all of the work when me do. Him a go give me it when he come back for judge the world. And I know me wanna go get crown. Him a go give everybody we did a long for him come back. I God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.